Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back on this nice Tuesday morning. We are starting off pretty chilly this morning. Actually, a little bit of snow on the roads. You can't see it here, but there is a little bit of snow still on the roads. The temperatures, though, really are the main issue. 13 degrees right now in Great Falls, but with those winds coming out of the south, the wind chill is at 5 degrees below zero, so very chilly start in Great Falls. And in Helena, even colder for the air temperature, 1 degree below zero for the actual air temperature. But with the wind chill, the temperature feels like 11 below, and that's really the case for most areas this morning. Very, very cold out there. And we have a little bit of a change rolling through for the new year here. So already a little bit of snowfall kind of off to our northwest, and you can see that pushing from our northwest into Montana, just reaching northwestern Montana as of this morning. That's going to continue to push southeast, and that's going to hit Great Falls in the next couple of hours here, and then around the capital city that will arrive late afternoon, early evening. So a couple of flurries, but not anything severe. So I'm not expecting any real issues from this in terms of traveling. There's no watches and warnings issued for north central Montana. It is going to be a little snowier just west of Billings, but for the most part, we're going to stay mainly in the clear for today. So you can see that arriving around Great Falls in just a few hours here, late morning, and then around the capital that will kind of strengthen in the late afternoon, early evening hours, and in southwestern Montana that will kind of arrive a little bit later, but it is going to move out fairly quickly here. So by tonight, things will clear out, and then for the rest of the week, we're looking at a warm up each day. So this westerly flow is really going to warm us up. So any snow that falls, probably not going to stick around for too long here. We're looking at some warmer and clearer weather. All of that snowfall staying north of us and actually north of the border here for the next few days. So Montana is going to stay dry for the next couple of days after those little bit of showers kind of moving through today. Those should be out of here fairly quickly. And this is what it's going to accumulate here. So mainly in the mountains here around the capital city and southeast of Great Falls. So not a huge amount of snowfall. And then after today, the threat of snowfall won't be back into the forecast until the weekend. So we're staying clear through the end of the work week here. Now, the real exciting thing about this weather, I guess you could say, is the warm up. So these winds from the west building up this week, and that's really going to warm us up, especially in north central Montana. That Chinook wind developing and then giving us some nice warmer weather to begin the new year, heading back to work and school with a little bit of a warm up here to make things a little bit easier to transition after that nice long holiday break we've had. But today is going to be a fairly chilly day. We're going to stay below freezing for today. Temperatures just hitting the freezing point, if at all. Most folks are going to stay in the mid to high 20s for the afternoon highs today. So a chilly day for today, but then it is going to warm up. So we will have some warmer weather. The end is in sight for this extremely chilly weather. We're just starting out kind of chilly this morning and staying chilly today. But check out that 7-day forecast. We're increasing by a lot tomorrow and then staying above freezing for the rest of the week. Friday is looking pretty nice out there. 50 for the high in Great Falls. A little cooler around the capital city, but still 44. Can't complain too much about that for the first week of January. Now there is another chance of snowfall for later on this weekend, but the week is going to be pretty nice to us after we get through this chilly weather this morning.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to be pretty good. A good omen for the start of the year here,
yes,
I'd say.
Hopefully.
Yes, thanks, Katie.